Baby, I like you that way. Baby, I like you that way. Baby, I like you that way. Baby, I like you.
Well, hello, and thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Ange, aka 50 Cents UK, and lovely to meet you. And if you are an OG, a regular, thank you so much once again for coming to chill with me. I appreciate you and sending you love and hugs. So guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, this is an exciting one, okay? So I am going to unbox the brand new Lancome Nuit Tresor Intense perfume. And I'm not going to lie, I was so freaking excited when I saw that this was coming out, because to me, like, just looking at the notes, it's got everything I love. And if you know my channel and you've watched me before, you will know that I love Nuit Tresor. I love the flankers. I love Lancome as a house in general, to be honest. So they can do no wrong in my eyes. So I was like so excited, and I was like just anticipating the release of this. And then when I saw that it was available, I was like, okay, I'm getting it, I have to have it. But I could only get it in a 50ml, which really annoyed me because I wanted to get the big bottle, but it was only available in a 50ml. So I thought I'll get it, and then if it comes available in a 100ml, I will get it then. This is what the box looks like. I love this red color. So let me get the cellophane off, and let's stop delaying and let's get to spraying. Sorry, that was so cheesy, but I couldn't resist. So anyway, oh my God, this looks stunning. Guys, I mean, isn't that just the most beautiful thing ever? This is gorgeous. Look at that color. Oh, like, I'm sorry, but I would get this just for the bottle. I like, at this moment, I don't care what it smells like, if I'm honest. Oh, like, this is just everything. I love it. Right, let me stop waffling and spray this thing and see what she smells like. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is cherry. Okay, this opens up with such a blast of cherry. Like, oh, guys, this is heavenly. Okay, let me just tell you, this smells amazing. I love it. Okay, if you like cherry, you will like this. So what I'm smelling right now is the almonds, the cherry, and the original Nuit Tresor DNA. That's what I'm getting. This is very sweet. This is very almondy. This is like, you know, like dark cherries, juicy, fat, dark cherries. That's what this reminds me of. Like, oh, this is dreamy, guys. This is sexy. This is everything that I thought it was going to be. And I am relieved, because if I didn't like this, that would have been so embarrassing for me. But I absolutely love it. So let me read the notes. So the notes in this are damask rose, sour cherry, almond milk, Madagascar vanilla, and woodsy notes. Now, to me, this doesn't smell like a sour cherry. As I said, this smells like a really sort of dark, juicy cherry that's ripe. It doesn't smell sour to me. Oh, guys, I could smell this for hours. This smells so good. It is very cherry dominant though. Very cherry dominant. That is the overpowering note. Now, I'm going to let it dry down and see if some of the other notes come through, because I know it's got almond milk in it, so I'm not getting a milky vibe from it right now, but let it dry down a bit and then we'll see. Right, I'm back. So guys, now that this has dried down, It is definitely more vanilla-y, more smooth and a bit more milky. I'm not going to say it's really lactonic because I'm not getting a really milky vibe from it, but I am getting a smoothness and I can really smell that sweet vanilla. Guys, this is a sexy one. Like Valentine's Day, come on. If you want to shut it down, and I mean shut it all the way down on Valentine's Day, she's your girl. I mean, this is the nicest perfume, like nicest blind buy perfume that I've had for quite a long time. Like I really, really love this perfume. Now, to me, this doesn't really smell like the other Nuit Tresors. So I have got most of the flankers, but online they said that it was mostly like Nuit Tresor à la Folie. So I have that here, and this is the original Nuit Tresor. So I'm just going to spray these just for a quick comparison. Put your teeth in, Ange. So I'm just going to put the original here. Yeah, they are different. The original is much more of a dark rose, okay, which I love as well. I do adore this. And let me smell the à la Folie. Yeah, that one's a lot fruitier and brighter, but they are different. Yeah, to me, they're not that much the same, okay? So if you own à la Folie, if you own the original, you can definitely afford to get this one for sure, because it's different enough. You know, you've got some flankers that are really, really close to the original that is literally not worth getting. This one is different. It's so different to the original, and it is a little bit closer to à la Folie, but not really, really similar, if that makes sense. Obviously, I can't say what it's like performance wise, but if it performs like the other ones in the line, then it's going to be amazing. It's going to be beast mode. It's going to project. Do you know what? I can't stop smelling it. I'm going to wear this to bed tonight. I'm going to wear it tomorrow. I absolutely love it. And as I said, I highly recommend you try it. If you are a fan of cherry, if you are a fan of almond, if you like rose, although the rose is not dominant. As I said, it's more the cherry and the almond that really does shine in this perfume. You are getting the florals as it dries down a lot more, but it's not a predominantly floral perfume, which I'm happy about because florals are not my favorite. This is gourmand, guys. This is so gourmand. It's rich, it's luxe, it's sexy as hell, and I love it. There you have it, guys, my first impressions of the new Lancome Nuit Tresor Intense. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, until next time, guys.